In the last video, we learned how to design and simulate half adder using Verilog HDL. In this video, we will learn to design and simulate half subtractor using Verilog HDL, and we will be again using the gate level modeling for this. The block diagram of half subtractor looks like this, which has two inputs and two outputs. The truth table is given by this, and the Boolean expression for difference and borrow is given by this. If we draw the logic diagram for the half subtractor, this is how the circuit looks like, which has three gates: XOR gate, NOT gate, and the AND gate. So let's get started and see how we can write down the design module for the half subtractor using Verilog HDL, and then we can simulate it using online compiler. So this is the design module for the half subtractor using gate level modeling. This module will start with the keyword module, and then we have to give the name to the module. Since we are designing the half subtractor, I have given name edges, but you can give any name. After this, we have to give the list of the ports, and from the block diagram, it is clear that this half subtractor has 4 ports: A, B, diff, and BO. So we are giving diff, BO, which are the outputs, and then the inputs. In the next line, we have to declare the input ports A and B. So we are using this input keyword. And in the next line, we are declaring diff and borrow to be the output ports using the keyword output. Now it is this circuit diagram which we have to design using Verilog HDL. And this is making use of the XOR gate. So we have to make use of the XOR gate primitive. And we have to give the output first and then the input. So looking at the diagram, we see that diff is the output of the XOR gate and A and B are the inputs to the XOR gate. Then we have to make use of the NOT gate primitive. This NOT gate has one input as A, and the output is a connection which has been connected to the input of the AND gate. And we see that this connection is neither an input port nor an output port. So we have to label this connection, and we are labeling it using the symbol W. So in the NOT gate, we have to give the output. So we are giving the output as W and the input is A over here. Now since W is neither an input port nor an output port, we have to declare this W as a wire type. So this is a new thing which was not there when we designed the half adder. So we have to remember this whenever we come across with any connection which is neither an input port nor an output port, we have to label it using any symbol, and then we have to declare it to be a wire type. Then we have to make use of the AND gate, and this AND gate has BO as the output, and the inputs to this AND gate, one input is W and the second input is B. And then the last line, we have to terminate the module using the keyword end module. So this completes our design of the half subtractor using gate level modeling in Verilog HDL. Now in order to test this design module, we have to write down another module which we call as the stimulus or the test bench. So now we'll write down the test bench for this half subtractor. So this is the test bench for the half subtractor. Again, it will start with the keyword module, and then you can give any name to this. Since this is a test bench for the half subtractor, I have given the name TBHS, but we can give any name to this module. After this, as I told you when we designed the half adder, if we are writing down the test bench module, then we need not pass any port list like we did for the design module. So in the design module, we always have to pass the port list, but in the test bench, there's no need to pass the list of the ports. After that, we have to declare the input ports as a register type always, and the output ports as a wire type. Now this test bench is written to test the half subtractor design module. So the next thing which we have to do is we have to instantiate our half subtractor design module. And we can instantiate the design module by giving the name of the design module. Now since we have given the name HS to the design module for the half subtractor, so we will be instantiating this module using HS word over here. After this will come the name of the instance. We can give any name to the instance. Here I have given the name as HS1, but you can give any name of your choice. After this will come the list of the ports, and the number of the ports over here must match with the number of ports given in the design module definition. Then within the initial, begin, and end, we have to give all the possible input combination. So we are giving the 4 combinations for the 2 inputs in the line numbers 22, 23, 24, and 25, like we did for the case of the half adder. So this is how the test bench for the half subtractor would be written. It is quite similar to the way we wrote the test bench for the case of the half adder. So now let us execute it and see what do we get. We see that again the complete truth table is displayed, and this truth table is matching with the expected truth table. So this is how half subtractor can be designed using Verilog HDL using gate level modeling.